Hi guys, so I am here to destash and go through my entire sticker stash, and I'm going to be fast forwarding you guys through parts of this, probably most of it as I go through the stickers. Then I will bring you back at the end and I'm going to talk you through relabeling my organization, showing you guys where I keep stuff and how I'm doing it. But this first part is just going to be me like going through each section, getting rid of it. I want to apologize. I did cut my thumb last night on a tape dispenser. It's no longer bleeding, but it's not pretty to look at, so just ignore him. But I'm going to be going through stuff and just kind of get started. This is going to be probably the closest thing you get to seeing like my entire collection. I do want to preface that I have more like sticker book type things that I know I'm keeping that are put away. I also have a few Christian Designs binders, which I know I'm not going to get rid of, and I'm not going to go through foil because I also know I won't get rid of it. But this is just like functional like icons, and I have like multicolor stuff and all that jazz. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get going. Alright guys, I have gone through all 3 of these and reorganized them. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you the categories. I'm going to do a separate video going through all of mine and kind of flipping through and showing you what I have because this video is far too long already. So I'm going to go ahead and just tell you the categories that I did for my stickers. I have a school category, teacher, fitness, food, drinks, coffee separate because I have so many coffee stickers, sports, YouTube, Shopify, planning, and hobbies. And then the next one I have pets, cleaning, chores, finances, love, celebrate, fall, winter, spring, summer, weather, travel. And then the last one is family, TV/movie, introvert, extrovert, me time, shopping, sad/mad, sassy, mixed emotions, happy, health, and faith. And so those are my categories for my stickers. I'm going to do a separate video kind of going through each section and showing you what I have, and then also should have a video going through my binders. My binders are all like Christian Designs and a little bit of Libby & Co, I believe, but they're 90% CAD from Michaels. So those showing you what's in all these categories and those binders will be in a separate video, so be looking out for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the system and seeing what I did here. I kind of took a lot of inspiration from other people finding more categories or better categories, because before I was using all these same stickers for only 2, and so I decided to add a whole nother one and add more categories. That way it's easier to find things, and I'm excited to try this when I'm planning, especially with doing YouTube. It takes me forever sometimes to find stuff, and and then it makes editing videos harder and all that. So hopefully this helps me out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.